I'm sure you've been there before. You've got a style of drill like the Sandvik 870 indexable head drills that you absolutely love, and you go to order it in another size for an upcoming job because you want that reliable performance, that rigidity, and everything you've come to trust from it in that new size. But you look up that size and the diameter and the length that you need simply are not available off the shelf. What are you to do? If it happens to be the Sandvik 870 drill, you're in luck. I'm going to show you how to make a custom drill super quick with Sandvik Coromant. So you can see I've got the website up here. You got to make sure that you're logged in up at the top of the page here. So we went to tools. Now we're going to click customize and start customizing. Now that we're customizing, I'm going to click drill, exchangeable tip. Now the size, okay, well, one, you can switch between metric and inches. I'm actually looking for an inch drill today and I want 9/16. Okay. Optimize the body. Yes, please. Usable length. And I want 4.5 inches. Okay. Then I get to pick my shank size. I'm going to be throwing it in a hydraulic holder, so I want nothing. Ooh, I'm going to go inch on the shank. I'm going to go for 3/4 inch. And then, ooh, they recommend total length extension. Now, they're going to be basing this off of the chip evacuation here at the top of the flutes. They want to make sure that you're not going to have a bung up of flutes as you get too deep. If you shorten this variable too much, you're going to have an issue with chip flow as you get to the bottom of that hole. And so they want to make sure that you're set up for success by giving you these recommended values. I'm going to leave it at the minimum. That should be okay. Now I'm going to click save. Within 2 to 20 minutes, they're going to generate the rest of the tailor-made information for me. And then I'm going to be able to verify that it does indeed fit my situation and all the parameters that I need to achieve. After you've got that information, you can call your local distributor or your local Sandvik representative to get that tool on order and see what the wait time and your volume pricing might look like. This is a great solution when you know you have either a hole size that you do a lot of to a certain depth, but you just can't find the right product, or you're optimizing a run that you already have predictable sales volumes of, or on the third, you're bidding on a big contract and you know starting right with the right tools is going to make the difference between failing and succeeding. And of course, well, you're bidding on the job because you want to win it. I'm here to keep your spindles turning and earning. Until next time.